Mr. Zeal! Hello, friends, it's time to play with sounds and words.
Hip, hip, hooray!
Clap your hands and tap your feet. Mr. Zeal makes reading sweet. Zigzag Zeal, let's spin the wheel. Bounce with B and sing with S. From A to Z, we'll laugh and learn. With every sound, the letters turn.
Madam English by Mr. Zeal.
How are you?
We are fine, thank you, and you, Mr.
So we are going to see what? Quadragraph? C-I-A-N. This is read as shen. 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 This is read as what? Shen. So quadragraph C-I-A-N as what? Shen. Shen sound. Shen. Not shan. Not shen. It's what? Shen. Shen. The sound is what? Shen. So if you have there's 4 letters at the end of a word, so you should pronounce them as shen. Shen. Okay? So let's see. M-A-G-E. Magi. She-an. Magician. Not magician. That's okay? It's not magician. Rather, you have to read it what? It's magician. It's magician. So, M-A-G-E. Magi. She-an. Shen. This is what? Shen. So we are looking, we are what? Talking about the quadragraph C-I-A-N. C-I-A-N ኩሉ ግዜ ክመጽእ ከለው ሓንቲ እዮም ድምፂ ዘውፅኡ እታ ድምፆም እንታይ ሸን ሸን እንታይ ትኸውን ሸን ሸን ሶ M-A-G-E ማጂ ሸን magician. This is read as what? Magician. You. So this is long vowel. You long vowel تኸውን معز ديا. you ዝብል ድምፂ ተፈጢራ short vowel ትኸውን معز ديا. K-A-T B-A-T ረሲሕኩም እዮም. K-A-T cat. So the sound of this one is so it's short vowel. You long vowel تኸውን معز you ዝብል ድምፂ ተፈጢራ. ንኣብነት music, amusement. That okay? So here M-U-Z-E music. Shen musician, not musician. It's read as what? Musician. Musician. Say musician. What about this one? T-A-K-T-I-K. T-A-Ta. K-T-I. Tak-T. Tak-T-shen. Tactician. 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 K-L-I. Kli. N-I-Ni. Kleni. Kleni. Clinician. This read as clinician. Tactician. What about this one? Sta. Star. T-E. T. Star. T. St. Statistician. 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 What about this one? F-E. Fee. Z-E. Z. So, fizzy. F-E. Fee. Z-E. Z. Then, physician. Sh-an. Physician. T-A. Te. T-A. Te. This is what? K. Techni. Ni. Techni. Technician. What about this one? Shen. Technician. Technician. What about this one? P-O. Po. ልኢ ሊ ትኢ ቲ ፕኦ ፖ ልኢ ሊ ትኢ ቲ ፖሊቲሽን ፖለቲሽን ፖሊቲሽን 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 What about this one? Beautician 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 Elektriği electric elektriği electrician What about this one? Electrician 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 What about this one? Opti opti optician 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 I it's long vowel I. When I come together, it's long vowel I. So I its sound is I. I die. See? I die. T. So dietitian. This is what? Dietitian. This is what? Dietitian. Dietitian. What about that? Law. G. Shan. Logician. Logician. So we are looking what? Quadragraph. C-I-A-N. Quadragraph. C-I-A-N. So quadragraph. Quadragraphs. Quadragraph. Quadragraphs. ስለዚህ ኳድራግራፍ CIAN ረለና CIAN ከመይ ድምጽ ይውጽእ ቀድሚን ታሪና O U G H ዝፈጥሮ ድምጽ ደሬና ወራ O U G H ዝፈጥሮ ድምጽ ሬኢና ሀዚ ኸ አንታይ ንረለና CIAN እንታይ ድምጽ ይፈጥርልና ሸን so magician this is read as magician what about son musician this is read as musician what about son ታክት ታክቲ ሸን tactician cleaning and this one is what shan so it's clinician what about this one statistician physician physician technician politician beautician electrician optician dietitian and logician so the atainarina stebelu magician musician tactician clinician physician technician politician beautician electrician optician dietitian and logician sahastain arena tetragraph CIAN ክትረኽቡ ከለኹም እንታይ ኢልኩም ተንብብዎ ሸን it's not shan politician electrician ይዝባል ወዶ no it's not like that it's not So it's what? It's politician, electrician, technician, clinician, physician. Okay? Physician. Not politician. It's not shan. It's not shan. أمودا تقريبا خلاص. Shan. Shan. زي كونه سايدا يزخون بب. Shan. Shan. Electrician, politician, physician, clinician, technician. Okay? So quadragraphs. 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 Quadragraph. So تاينا نرزلنا 4 فيدلات دمصهم ግን حنتي. So let's see. We are going to see tetragraph AIGH again. من نرزلنا tetragraph AIGH. AIGH حاويرون كما خلو حنتي ادمصهم انتاسا A give her a hand. It's what? A. It's long vowel A. A مع زدا short vowel تهون. فري. بيتي.
A when A sound when it is short, it is A.
Yes, give her a hand. When.
It is long, it is A.
Give her a hand. Nice.
IGH is silent.
Nice. Give her a hand. Okay. So A, if it sounds A, then it's short vowel. B, at, K, at, D, ad. So here the sound of A is what? Short. Because its sound is what? A. Hold up. A. A. B, at, K, at, D, ad. So A short vowel at Baluzi. A ዝብል ድምፂ ተውፅኣ ግን ሎንግ ቫውል ተኸብሮ ዶ ሎንግ ቫውል ዝበሃሉ A ድምፂ ዘለዎ ግን ብጣዕሚ ብዙሓት እዮም ኤግዛምፕል AI 1 EIGH AIGH እዚኦም ኩሎም እንታይ ዝብል ድምፂ ዘለዎ A so long vowel A so AIGH እንታይ ድምፂ እያ ተውፅእ A AIGH እንታይ ዝብል ድምፂ ተውፅእ A so it's long vowel A. How many letters do I have? 1 2 3 4. How many letters do I have? 4. So it's tetragraph is? Tetragraph እንታይ ማለት እዩ ነበረ
4 letters.
Tetragraphs.
4 letters.
Tetragraphs.
One sound.
Tetragraphs.
4 letters.
Tetragraph.
One sound.
So we are going to see tetragraph AIGH. Dahil na kanri AIGH. Men na kanri AIGH. So AIGH ኣብ ሓደ ሆነ ቃል ክመጽእ ከለው እንታይ ድምጽ ኢና ነውጸሎም A. So let's see. S T R at straight. S T R at straight. S T R at straight. R A ray. R A ray. R A ray. D A day. D A day. D A day. P A pay. P A pay. Hey 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 lay 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 may 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 nay 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 nay. What about this one? This what? A. This is right? A. What about this one? L. L. A. L. L A L. What about this one? Se. 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 Te. 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 Ah. What about this one? An. An. Okay, what do we see? Quadragraph or tetragraph? A-I-G-H. 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 So, A-I-G-H. حبيرهم كما تخلوا. داينا نمبر. A. A. So, let's see that. Straight. Straight. Re. Re. De. De. Pe. Pe. He. He. Le. Le. Me. Me. Ne. Ne. Quadragraph. Quadragraphs. So, እንታይ ንርኢ ዘለና ኳድራግራፍ ኣርባዕተ ፊደላት ሓንቲ ድምፂ እምበሮ ቴትራግራፍ ማለት እንታይ ማለት እዩ ኳድራግራፍ ስለዚ AIGH ሓቢሮም ክመፅእ ከለው እንታይ ኢልና ነንብቦም A ሲ ኣርባዕተ ፊደላት ሓቢሮም ክመፅእ ከለው እዚኦም AIGH እንታይ ዝብል ድምፂ ንፈጥረሎም A እንዳበልና ነንብቦም በጣም ሓሪፍ እሺ
Hello, friends, it's time to play with sounds and words.
Hip, hip, hooray!
Clap your hands and tap your feet. Mr. Zeal makes reading sweet. Zigzag Zeal, let's spin the wheel. Bounce with B and sing with S. From A to Z, we'll laugh and learn. With every sound, the letters turn.
Madam English Minister Zeal.
Beep, beep, beep,